Welcome to Happy English. Let's get better at listening and speaking. It will be fun and a little challenging. Let's start. Fish-fragrant eggplant is a classic Sichuan dish that's notable for its absence of fish in the recipe. The name refers to the sauce traditionally used in fish dishes made from fermented chili bean paste, ginger, garlic, and vinegar, creating a sweet, sour, and slightly spicy flavor profile. The eggplant is soft and tender, absorbing the rich, complex sauce, making it a beloved dish for its melt-in-the-mouth texture and the harmonious balance of flavors. It's a vegetarian dish that stands out for its depth of flavor and is a testament to the versatility of Sichuan cuisine. Join us on Happy English as we explore the world of international cuisine, uncovering the stories and flavors behind beloved dishes. Let's embark on a journey of language and gastronomy, celebrating the cultural diversity and richness of food from around the globe. Together, let's savor the joys of cooking, learning, and sharing delicious meals that unite us all.